In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple shop database in Microsoft Access. First, open Microsoft Access. If you already have Access pinned, launch it from your apps. Otherwise, search for it and open the desktop app. On the Start screen, you can choose to create a new blank database or open an existing one. For a fresh shop database, select Blank Database, choose a location you'll remember, and create it. Access will open a new empty database with a default table called Table 1. Think of this as your starting canvas. We'll turn it into a useful table by defining its structure. Now design and create your tables. For a shop, you might plan tables like products, customers, or orders. Start by switching to Design View for Table 1. This is where you define fields, the pieces of information you want to store. In the design grid, type a field name in the first column, choose a data type in the second, and optionally add a description to document how the field is meant to be used. Clear naming pays off later. Use names like product name, price, or quantity on hand. Descriptions help teammates understand your intent. Choose data types carefully because they control validation and formatting. Short text is great for names and codes. Numbers for quantities or IDs that aren't auto-generated. Date time works for order dates and received dates. Currency is best for prices and totals to avoid rounding issues. Auto number is ideal for unique IDs that Access generates for you. Yes, no is perfect for simple flags like active or discontinued. Every table needs a primary key to uniquely identify each record. Pick the row for your ID field, then set it as the primary key from the Design tab, or right-click and choose Primary Key. For most shop tables, an auto number field like Product ID or Customer ID is a reliable choice. With your structure in place, create data entry forms and reports. On the Create tab, you can generate a quick form for your table to make input easier and more consistent. Similarly, use Report to produce printable summaries like a price list or stock report. You can refine these later as your needs grow. Remember to save your work. Right-click the Table tab and choose Save, or press Ctrl+S. Give the table a meaningful name such as Products and click OK. When you're ready to add data, switch to Datasheet View using the View button in the ribbon. Enter your records directly into the grid, one row per item. That's it. Your simple shop database is up and running, ready to grow with your business.